6 o'clock in the morning and I'm now off to Hebei province, which is located near Beijing. And we are going there to visit many factories that produce children's toy cars, so electronic cars for my clients. And now en route to a factory.
Then we go to the factory and arrange the production. When the production about half, we go to the factory and report the production situation to the customers. When the goods finished, we go to the factory and to see the loading and report all the things.
So I'm now here at a factory that produces toy cars, children's cars, with all types, tanks, Mercedes styles, bicycles. We've got everything here which is for children, and you can just see the type of quality of products. And my customer here is just happy looking around to see what products that he wants. Then we will finalize the order and move forward from there. What's the minimum order for this?
这个的最低起量每标吗？100。
So I'm now in the production line for the toy cars. This, as I said, this is our third factory, and you can just see the size of this place. The place is absolutely huge, producing cars for the world, toy cars for children. And you've got the customer here just viewing the product along with the boss of the company. So I'm just on the production line at the moment. As you can see behind me, they're now producing a toy car, and it's just going through the production line where it ends up and finishes at the end here, where the guys are doing the box up. But you can see this particular factory is quite big. happiness, have a look at this warehouse. It's huge. And that's just one of them. One warehouse. Wow.
I would say this is probably bigger. Jesus Christ.
As you can see, the amount of
We like that. Simple.
大家好，美女好。
包装都是英文，对英文。
好吧。
So those are the models they had in the showroom.
Yeah.
That's all, every model they have,
Yes,
right?
yes. To America. This one goes. You can see closer.
And also this next one.
Ah, exotic brand.
This is crazy. Absolutely madness. Oh my god.
So this is a typical dine-in we do during business here in China.
Delicious food.